From the cover of this picture, I'm pretty sure you were expecting to see some beautiful action, right? Well, we'll definitely get to that later. Lions are social cats, and in a pride, they can consist of 30 to 40 individuals. Lions are literally the laziest cats ever, and I mean literally. They rest for about 16 to 20 hours in a day. Their front paws have 5 claws on each, including the declaw, which is used for gripping prey, and their back paws have 4 claws on each. Lions are way beautiful than lionesses. I mean, look at that mane. They are carnivorous, and yup, the yawn is definitely contagious, just like human beings. They are apex predators, meaning literally at the top of the food chain. We were very excited to see the mating behavior, but there's definitely a plot twist. In this moment, as you can see, there was no mating process happening here. She was just being playful and showing affection, just creating a deep bond. And yeah, so that's what made us feel like something was just a bit interesting. And this is definitely okay. So this could mean maybe she's approaching the mating behavior. I can't really confirm that, but I think she was just being playful, honestly. So we're just gonna sit here and just enjoy it.